Do you want people to instantly like you and feel comfortable around you? Psychology has some powerful tricks. You can use subtle, simple, but extremely effective. Today, I'll share 5 proven psychology tricks to make anyone like you instantly. Trick 1. Use their name. People love hearing their own name. It creates connection and trust. Next time you meet someone, casually use their name. In conversation, it makes them feel valued and noticed. Trick 2. Mirror their body language. When you subtly copy someone's gestures, tone, or posture, their brain feels you are like them. This builds instant familiarity and comfort. Trick 3. Give small compliments. Not fake ones, but real, specific compliments. For example, instead of just saying, "You look nice," say, "That color really suits you." Genuine compliments release dopamine and build positive feelings toward you. Trick 4. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of yes, no questions, ask things that make them share stories or emotions. People love talking about themselves, and when you listen carefully, they'll feel understood and connected. Trick 5. Show small acts of vulnerability. When you admit a tiny flaw or share something personal, people see you as real and trustworthy. Vulnerability builds closeness faster than perfection. So let's recap. Use names. Mirror body language. Give genuine compliments. Ask open-ended questions. And show vulnerability. These 5 psychology tricks are small, but they can completely change how people feel about you. Which trick will you try first? Tell me in the comments, and if you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more psychology secrets every day. We will meet in the next video.